after installation of Anaconda, let's start with Jupyter Notebook. Now let's search Anaconda Navigator, and so now we have Anaconda Navigator, and it has the following tools. So we will just launch the Jupyter Notebook. So this is Jupyter, and it's reflecting files and directories of my computer. Now let's create one file. Say now here we will select the one notebook, that is Python 3. So now as you can see, there is a in line appear over here, and there is untitled project. So let's provide a title. Let me see something. In another window you can see there is an untitled IPYNB, that is IPython notebook file. Well, that's the extension, and it's showing its status that it's running at present moment. So now let's rename it my first book. Just rename it, and it's reflecting over here, as you can see. Now simply 5 plus 2 and hit the run, and as you can see, it's immediately executing this command, or we can say code. Say 5 plus 2, that is 7, 5 minus 3, hit the next. As you can see, it's showing 2. So this way you can execute your code, and suppose if you want to put some heading, say basic operations, right? Hit next, and then let's say 10 divided by 2, and you can really press shift and then can press enter. That is the shortcut for executing the code, rather than each time hit the run. You can also write down notes, select markdown, and as you can see, we can write down plain text, say arithmetic operations. So as you can see, it's not executed, right? Because this in indicates the cell. So whatever we write down inside this in will be executed. Let's print something. Hello, and let's hit shift, enter. So this way we can create our own node, right, with the basic script and documentation. And it's reflecting over here, and let's find it in a directory. As you can see, my first book